In this video, I will show you how to convert a text date from dd-mm-yyyy to mm-ddyy format in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some text dates in the dd-mm-yyyy format. Now I want to convert these dates to mm-ddyy format. Since these are text values, we cannot directly change the date format using the format cells option. So I am going to extract individual year, month and day values from the text string. Once I get these values, I am going to use the Excel date function to create a valid Excel date. The date function returns the date based on the specified year, month and day values. After getting the valid Excel date, we can use the cell formatting option to format the date in the mm-ddyy or any other format we want. Let's start the formula by typing an equal sign in the target cell. Now type date followed by an opening bracket. Since the year number is mentioned as the last two characters of the date string, I am going to extract it using the write function like this. Type a comma to enter the month argument of the date function. The month number is located at the character numbers 4 and 5. So I am going to use the Excel mid function to extract two characters starting from character 4. Type a comma to enter the day argument of the date function. The day number is located at the start of the string, so I am going to extract the two character day number using the left function like this. Type the closing bracket of the date function and then hit the enter key to complete the formula. Since I specified only the last two digits of the year number, Excel automatically took the year value as 1924, but the date is of the year 2024. To fix this, I am going to modify the formula and add 2000 to the two-digit year number like this. So if the year number is 24, when we add 2000 to it, it becomes 2024. Hit the enter key to complete the formula. We now have the correct year number, which is 2024. Copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, we now have dates converted from the string values, but they are not in mm-ddyy format. Since we already have valid Excel dates, we can use the cell formatting to format them. To do that, select all the cells and then press the Ctrl and 1 key on the keyboard to open up the Format Cells dialog box. Now click the Custom option from the left side. Delete everything from the Type text box and then type mm/dd/yy. Make sure to check the preview section. Click the OK button to close the dialog box. As you can see, we now have the dates in mm-ddyy format. Also convert the text dates from mm-ddyy to dd-mm-yyyy format. The process to convert the date format is almost similar. Here is the formula to do that. Here, the year extraction part is the same as before since the year is mentioned as the last two characters. The day and month extraction parts are now switched with each other according to their positions in the string. Since the month characters are mentioned first, I used the left function to extract it. The two character day part starts from character 4, so I used the mid function to extract two characters from the index 4. Once we get the valid date values, we need to format the dates in dd-mm-yyyy format using the Format Cells dialog box, same as before. As you can see, we now have dates converted from mm-ddyy to dd-mm-yyyy format. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.